Hello, children. I welcome you all for our English period. So, let us start our period with the inspiring quote. So, children, it is given. The quote says, everyone comes with baggage. Find someone who loves you enough to help you unpack doubt, fear, loss. Yes, children. So everyone comes with baggage. Now, children, baggage means suitcases or trunks or personal belongings of travelers or luggage, we can say. Yes, children. So there is another meaning for baggage, that is emotional baggage. Another meaning for another that is another word for baggage, that is emotional baggage. So in emotional baggage means children, that is feelings or circumstances which we are facing or beliefs, all this comes under emotional baggage, that is your feelings, okay, your beliefs, okay, the circumstances which you are facing, all this comes under emotional baggage. So here it is emotional baggage, okay, not that luggage one, meaning of luggage. So here the baggage, so everyone comes with their baggage, means everyone have their own feelings, their belief, their circumstances, but you have to find someone who loves you enough to help you unpack, unpack means children, to open and remove the content. Okay, so here the you have to open the and unpack the content. Now what are the contents here? Contents are your doubt, your fear, or your loss. So children, it means that everyone comes with baggage, everyone have their own beliefs, their own feelings, okay, they are facing their own circumstances, but you have to find someone who loves you enough to help you unpack your doubt, to help you solve your doubt, to help you overcome your fear, okay, to be with you if you are losing something, okay, if you are losing something, at that time that person may care you, support you, love you, okay, you have to find that kind of person who is with you during all these problems of your time. Okay, that's why it is said that everyone comes with baggage. Find someone who loves you enough to help you unpack your doubt. Unpack means I told you. Open and remove the contents. Okay, now here the contents are doubt, fear, loss. Yes, children? So now let us move forward with our next chapter. So you all know that we are at the we are going to begin with the last chapter of Unit 3, that is 3.7 at the science fair. Okay, children. So let us go through one science quote. So science, you all know that science, it is like magic but real. Science, it is like magic, but the magic here is real one. Okay, so now we will start the chapter number 3.7, that is at the science fair. Now, children, science fair. So, children, science fair, we can say, what do you mean by science fair? Mm, like we can say, so science fair, children, it is a competitive event hosted by schools worldwide. Okay, it is a competitive event. So hosted by schools worldwide. Students present their science project. Okay, like we have science exhibition in our school every year in which you present your science project, you display your models. Okay, children, the same way, students present their science project results in the form of a report or display their board or models that they have created. Okay, so science fair allows students in school to compete in science or technology activities like every year we have in our school in the same way. Okay, children. So science fair is an opportunity for students to apply the scientific method to conduct independent research. Okay, the result is presented in a school wide science fair where the students' efforts are displayed, where students are questioned too. Okay, so students are helped by teachers and parents. They have to follow guidelines and be thoroughly prepared to answer any questions put across by visitors regarding their topic. So remember, whatever you are doing in your science exhibition, the same way it is science fair. Okay, children. So this year, due to this corona pandemic, we don't have anything. Yes, children. Otherwise, you display your models. Yes, children. You prepare nice models and you exhibit them. Okay, and you also get prizes for your models, for your exhibition, everything, right? But due to this pandemic situation, we are missing everything. Okay, let it be. Maybe we all pray that we will all pray next year. We will again have that everything back. We will get everything back, our school life, everything back, our science exhibition, everything, your gathering, everything we will get back, and we will be normal. We will live a normal life once again. Yes, children. So now let us start with the chapter at the science fair. Okay, children, page number 75. So the science fair at Vidya Vardhini School. Science fair at Vidya Vardhini School was always an exciting affair. There were a number of stalls, never less than 50. Entertainment booths, okay, so number stalls were there, never less than 50. Entertainment booths, and of course refreshments. Okay, entertainment booths. Now, booths means, children, a small tent or temporary structure at an exhibition or fair. Small tents, we can say. They are called entertainment booths. And of course, refreshments. Okay, means light snack or drink. That is refreshment. Okay, while that is called refreshment, that is light snack or drink, we can say. There were two basic rules. So during the science fair, two basic rules the everyone have to follow. That is, one, everything should be handled by students. First one is, whatever is happening there, everything is handled by students. And two, everything, even the entertainment booths and refreshment stalls had had to have a scientific base. Okay, children, understood? Basic rule, first one, everything should be handled by students, and second one, that everything, including the refreshment stalls and entertainment booths, have a scientific base. Means they must be something having to do with science. Okay, it is means everything related to science only. Whatever is happening there, it should be related to science. Yes, children, that is a scientific base. Okay. Now, preparations for the fair began at least a couple of months in advance. Okay. The first step was brainstorming. Okay, that is masterminding, we can say. Brainstorming means a group of people thinking of something at the same time to come up with ideas and plans. A group of people, they are thinking at the same time to come up with some ideas and plans, or we can say masterminding. Okay, the first step was brainstorming. The principal invited ideas for the event from students, teachers, and even parents. So ideas were means called invited for the event from students, teachers, and even parents were given the chance. A host of ideas. Okay, host of ideas means it is a phrase here, means large number of ideas. Okay, poured in. So the school got large number of ideas from students, teachers, and parents. Okay, a host of ideas poured in. Luckily, many parents not only contributed ideas but also volunteered to help with the planning and implementation of the big event. Okay, so luckily, what happened? Many parents not only contributed their ideas but also volunteered, means they offered to give their help. They willingly offered to give their help with the planning and implementation. Implementation means, children, carry out of the big event. Okay, they volunteered means they offered to do something, and they implemented also in implementation of the big event, means to carry out of the big event. So a committee of parents and teachers was set up to look after all the work of the fair. So a committee was formed of parents and teachers. They were going to look after all the work of the science fair. Some students representatives were also taken on the committee. Okay, in the committee, parents and teachers were there, but some students representatives means the person who is the person chosen to speak for in behalf of the behalf of the children. Okay, that is the spokesperson. Here it is student spokesperson. Some students representatives, that is spokesperson, were also taken in the committee to give them a first-hand experience of managing big program like this. Okay, some student representative, they were also taken to give them experience of managing such a big event. Okay, big program like this. Okay. Okay, now we will move to next paragraph. The committee identified certain themes for the fair. The committee identifies certain themes. They identify themes here means the main idea or the subject, we can say. Okay, for the fair, they were, so the main idea or subject they identified. What were they? They were the plants, animals, properties of substances, energy, that is forms of energy and energy resources, science in our everyday life, latest news from the world of science, and food and nutrition. Okay. So they were plants, animals, properties of substance. Now, children, the characteristics that enable us to distinguish one substance from another are called properties. So, properties of substance mean the characteristics that enable us to distinguish one substance from another is called properties. Okay, or we can say a property or characteristics of a substance that is observed during a reaction in which chemical composition of the substance is changed. Okay, properties of substance means children characteristics of substance. In short, we can say characteristics of substances. Plants. So the main idea they were plants, animals. Properties of substances, that is characteristics of substances. Energy, forms of energy and energy resources. Science in our everyday life. Latest news from this world of science, and food and nutrition. Okay, so considering the area of the school playground and estimated turnout, okay, estimated means approximated turnout, it was decided to allow 56 stalls in the fair. Okay, so considering everything, it was decided that to allow 56 stalls in the fair. The stalls were allotted to as many groups of children. The stalls were allotted. Okay, they were to allotted means to distribute. Okay, the stalls were distributed to as many groups of children. Each group selected a topic or idea from the chosen themes. So themes, they were, as told earlier, these were the themes. Okay, so children, they have to select from the chosen themes whichever was given. Okay, the committee had to make sure that topics were not repeated. So committee, they just looked after that the children selected the topics and that topics were not repeated. Okay, children, now here see, you can see the colorful you can see at the end of the page it is given properties of substances, latest news from the world of science, science in everyday life, food and nutrition, plants, animals, energy. Okay, these were the themes. Okay, children, they have to choose from this given themes and the topics were not repeated. Okay, children. Okay, now in the next part of video, the next part of lesson, we will see in the next video.